I'm gonna be doing what's inside my bag, my Y bag. So, let me open this bag. There we go. Now, oh, I forgot to do my intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing what's inside my bag, wide bag challenge. Here we go. I'm gonna dig into it. Ready? I got that. Ooh, it's a pencil. But not ordinary pencil. It's this cool, awesome pencil. You can get them at the dollar store. You can get them anywhere. You just press it down, then the lead will come out. So you could write and look at that cool design that we got there. So I'm gonna put it right there. Okay. 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 I got my Nintendo Switch. I got my Nintendo. And if you're wondering where the red and blue ones are, my friend Brayden has it. And shout out to Brayden and Xavier. Here we go. Next. Hold on. Next, we have, oh, there's one more. How'd this get in here? That was supposed to be in here. Well, forget it. One more in here. Whoa. This looks sharp. Let me touch it. Ow! Shoot! Ow. Okay. But look at this. I made this by myself, colored it. Look at that. In the description below in my on my channel, there will be instructions how to make this. Tomorrow it will be uploaded, and that's the three. What's in my bag? Y bag challenge, and this video is not sponsored by Y.
What are you doing?
And I will see you in the next video. OG Gagers, bye.